Welcome to Chapter 2 of our Excel for Beginners course. In this chapter, we'll dive into the world of basic formatting in Excel. Learning how to format your data can significantly enhance the visual appeal and readability of your spreadsheets. So let's get started. To apply formatting to our data, we'll primarily use the Home tab on the Excel ribbon. Here, you'll find all the essential formatting options. Alternatively, you can use the mouse by right-clicking and selecting Format the Cell from the context menu. Let's begin with selecting a range of cells that we want to format. You can change the font, font size, and font color from the font group. Simply select the cells, click the drop-down menus, and choose your desired settings. For example, let's make the text bold, change the font size to 14, and make it blue. Next, let's change the background color of specific cells to make them stand out. Go to the Fill Color button and choose a color from the palette. Now, the selected cells have a distinctive background color. Proper alignment is essential for a neat presentation. You can align cell content to the left, right, or center from the alignment group. Additionally, you can wrap text within a cell to fit long text without distorting the column width.
Borders can help separate data and give your worksheet a polished look. Select the cells, go to the Borders button, and choose a border style. You can add borders to individual cells or around the entire range. Excel provides predefined cell styles to quickly format data. Click on the Cell Styles button and choose a style that matches your preference. Conditional formatting is a powerful feature to automatically format cells based on certain conditions. For example, we can highlight cells with values greater than 11 in green and cells less than 11 in red. Formatting isn't just limited to cells. You can also format charts. Customize the chart title, axes, and data labels to make your chart more informative. Congratulations! You've completed Chapter 2, Basic Formatting in Excel. You've learned how to change fonts, apply colors, align cell content, add borders, and even use conditional formatting to enhance the appearance of your data. Practice these techniques, and your Excel worksheets will look more professional and visually appealing. In the next chapter, we'll explore how to work with formulas and functions to perform calculations and analyze data. Stay tuned for more exciting Excel tutorials. Thank you for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might find it helpful. Happy Excel formatting!